Hey everybody, this is Chubbs the dog. Today's August the 28th, day after her surgery, and she's doing much, much better. I tell you, she was really acting really funny yesterday. We had her come home with a cone on her head. Easy collar, whatever they call it. Hey Chubbs, come here. And out of all the dogs I've ever had, she's been the funniest and weirdest with it. She hates having something like that on her. She barely walked in, right? And simply put, when she came in the house, she like sat there with her head slumped down for like 2 or 3 hours, would not move. Didn't really want to eat that much, wouldn't drink, nothing, wouldn't even lay down. The moment I took the collar or that cone off her head, total change. So what we did, she doesn't have it on now, we put a shirt on her, put a couple holes in it like a onesie, and that was better, even though that was still awkward with her. She still didn't like it. Now it's off because we can keep an eye on her. Let me show you. Come here, Chubbs. Chubbs, come here. Come here. Come here. First off, let me show you. She had, how well you're going to be able to see it. Right there. And then she had her teeth cleaned. She actually did have one tooth out. It was one of the ones in the very front. And I was going to show it. I had him give it back to me, just to keep it. Let me go get that. I'll be right back. Okay, here's the tooth they took out. So that part here would be the root. It's one of the tiny ones in front. The vet said that was pretty loose, so didn't really have to do much to have it come out. I didn't think she was going to have to get any extractions, but I guess her teeth were worse than we thought. I know she had pretty bad breath. It's my fault. I should have had her teeth cleaned more often. But it's something we're going to keep on top of. But luckily, after we got all the crap off of them, he says they're in pretty good shape. Not like Angel's, which was a lot worse. So if you have their dog's teeth clean and they have to take out any teeth, you can't get the teeth a lot of times, and it's like keeping your kids' teeth. The dogs are my kids, so that's what I did. But there she is. Come here, Chubbs. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here, girl. Chubbs, come here. Yeah, this dog gets afraid of everything. Like I said, she was afraid of the cone on her head. I need to get a new harness for her, right? Because the old one's quite tight. She's afraid of, would she be afraid of new harnesses? Afraid of new leashes. I don't know why. Because we treat her well. We've had her since she was like a tiny little thing, 2 months. So I don't know. She's just afraid of new things. Come here. Come here, Chubbs. Come here. So, yeah, I knew that cone was going to be a problem. And it was. But the thing is, you're supposed to, I got to watch that wound for like 2 weeks to make sure it heals before we get the stitches out. I can't be home every minute for 2 weeks. I was supposed to go out today filming. I was really looking forward to going to this one event today. I was going to hang out with some friends and some fellow YouTubers, and I just didn't go. I probably could have went if I would have put the collar on her again, that cone, or maybe that shirt. I think she probably would have been okay. The vet said she'd be okay to leave them. But I was too nervous. I didn't want to take the risk. I was worried about it. These are my kids, And being that she just got the surgery yesterday, she does have some pain medication we could use too. But I only want to do that if it looks like she needs it. I know. I over worry about the dogs. I shouldn't, but like I said, they're my kids. And I love them. They're a pain in the butt sometimes. But if I would have went today and did that filming, I would have just been worrying about her. Because I don't want her to split those stitches. Plus, I was super tired. I was up all night. Could not get to sleep. And then the day before, I had to get up super early. Like 4 in the morning. Because I had to drop her off at the vet between like 7 and 8. I'm not a person that can just jump up and go get out the door. It takes me forever to wake up and get ready. So I was too tired. I was really tired anyways. But my friend understood who I was supposed to meet up with, so maybe next time. Chubbs, hey. Anyways, she's doing good. You know, some people asked, and I just wanted to film a video and show you that. Yeah, that bump they took out, it's going to get tested. We got to see. Now, this is not cheap to do these things. So let's let you know. Veterinary health care has gone really expensive. And I don't know how some people could have dogs and take them to the vet when they should. It's just a lot. And it's getting harder and harder to afford it, but you know, when you take on animals, a dog or whatever, you take on the responsibility. You gotta do your best. I just wish it wasn't so like that it was so expensive, but this is how it is. But there it is. Again. Come on. It looks like it was a huge thing, but it was actually quite tiny. But okay. If you want to do another update video, it'll probably be through a short or something. Maybe in a few days, let you know what she's doing. But I'm pretty confident she'll be okay. The test will be leaving her home. Because, see how that goes. We're going to try the t-shirt method. And try not to leave her too long, and then we'll see. But like I said, I knew that the cone, all the dogs I've ever had, we've been able to use the cone okay. Her, I knew it was going to be an issue. It's like you see, she doesn't even have a collar on for a reason. I used to, but there was just not very, didn't go too well too much. Maybe I should have worked on her more when she was little. But she is a rescue. I had her since she was 2 months, and you all seen it the day I got her, if you want to find that video. Yeah, Chubbsy. Alright, that's it. Say bye, Chubbs. Yeah, wagging that tail. Yeah, you're so happy. Chubbs, Chubbsy. Chubbsy Wubbsy. Alright. Yeah.